For Realme, I wanted to pay a tribute to the environment, to the city of Milan with this design. What I like most about Milano is the eclectic spirit of this city. It really mixes two souls. One soul which is more historical, so belongs to the past of Milano, and one soul which is very contemporary and has been built recently. The look of Realme 11 Pro is inspired by this print. The round lens module resembles the rings, the rising sun. The yellow line in the middle symbolizes the road stretching into the distance. And the color used for this look, beige, is the color of the sun spilling over the building on the entire side. We have named this bright color of 11 Pro series Sunrise Beige.
这是 Realme 和设计师 Matteo 的合作，我们想要为用户带来一种将米兰时尚文化融入科技产品的视觉感受和使用体验，希望通过这款产品给用户传递源自米兰的时尚灵感。
We don't see them only as a technical tool, but we love them for their aesthetic and their appearance, and their shape can become also part of our looks and of our aesthetic.